Jusstunna Show! Yo, yo, yo! It's the Jusstunna! Yo, yo! It's the Jusstunna Show! Today, I'm gonna make some thum again because I love thum, and that's literally just... Thum is such a comfort food for Asians, okay? And I got a cucumber. I'm gonna make thum cucumber, and I've been wanting to try to add like pineapple, and it looks like my parents cut up pineapple, so I'm gonna add the pineapple with my thumb today. It's gonna be so good. So first and foremost, I'm gonna cut up my cucumber. You gonna eat some, Car, or no? So I'm gonna do this.
I'll have some if it's not like super fucking spicy.
Okay. But yeah,
I'm gonna shower later, fuck it. Okay.
So y'all can see me do my thing or whatever. Sorry, guys. Honestly, I should have just kept this on. I'll keep a lot more than I did before. Girl, guys, it's cold in Chicago. Oh my God. Like, I walked outside today with just a sweater. Bitch, cold as F. Like, I swear, Chicago people will never get used to our cold in the winter. Like, it's crazy. So now I'm gonna cut it up. Now I'm gonna cut it into pieces because I don't want it like shredded. Kind of want it in cubes right now. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more than that. I made, oh my gosh, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't record myself. But yesterday, I made curry, a potato curry, and it was so good. It was so good. I took, I ate it for work today. And it, like, the flavor just sat more in there, and it was so good. Oh my God. And I was literally when I was cooking it yesterday, I was like, let me record myself, just in case it, because I was like, what if it doesn't turn out good? Like, it's gonna make me mad. So I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna record, but I should have recorded it because it turned out really good. So next time, I know. I had to taste test it because it kind of smelled like it was going to be khum. And khum means it's bitter. But it's not, so that's good. We don't like a bitter cucumber, guys. No, 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 no. So, alright, so I got my lime. I got 6 peppers. Chili peppers, yummy, yummy, in my tummy. And then I'm gonna get a handful of tomatoes. You don't need a lot of tomatoes because cucumber, it adds already like a lot of juice to it. That's typically why we add the tomatoes, to get more juice. So here's the cook. You're gonna take just the, what's this? I'm gonna take that off. Then you're gonna add ginger. I always say ginger, but honestly, ginger would be good with thumb too. But garlic, 1 garlic clove. And then you gotta get your kapi salt. Then you're gonna thumb. Y'all see that? I be telling you, you have to be careful with these peppers. Flying everywhere. Smash it up. Then you're gonna season everything. Add your tomato, add your lime. I'm gonna add a little bit lime only because the badak that I've been using, it's a little bit salty, which is good because you could always fix it. So it's a little salty, so I'm gonna add a little bit of lime, and that's been helping. Add a little lime.
He's better not.
And then oh shit. You do not want to spill this anywhere, guys. On any carpet, anything, okay? Only your fingers. Even that, it smells. No matter how much you scrub it, it will smell. So you give it a good mix because all the ingredients settle down on the bottom right here. So give it a good mix. I'm just going to, like I said, it's a little salty already, which is good. So it's very flavorful. So I'm going to just do 1 scoop and add more if I need to later, after. Whoopsie. Take your sugar. I'm going to do 1.5 sugar. And then just a pinch of MSG. Then you're gonna give this a good mix again. Taste test it. Yes. I'm gonna add more badak actually, because after this cucumber goes in, it gets a little jang, which means a little bland because it's so watery. And then I'm getting my pineapple ready. up just like I did the cucumbers. Add that in there. Then add a little bit more badak because it's gonna be jang. A little bit. So I'm gonna do half a spoon. And just a pinch more of MSG. Then give this a good mix. Woo! We're gonna taste test it. Woo! It's just so good. Yeah. That is amazing. Here's a pork. And there you have it. Thumb cucumberกับ pineapple.